How to love a woman. 1. Accept her for who she is. Love her unconditionally and appreciate her for her strengths and flaws. 2. Show affection. Be emotionally and physically affectionate towards her. 3. Communicate openly. Listen to her thoughts and feelings and emotions while also sharing your own with her. Communication is key in any relationship. 4. Support her goals and dreams. Be a pillar of support, propelling her in the direction of her life pursuits and dreams. Be there for her during both the successes and challenges. 5. Be respectful. Respect her opinions. Respect her feelings even when you don't fully understand. Respect her emotions even when they don't make much sense to you. And respect her objections. 6. Spend quality time together. Prioritize your relationship with her. 7. Show love through actions. Surprise her with her favorite treat and help with chores. 8. Be patient and understanding. Every woman is different, and it's important to be patient and understanding when it comes to her needs and emotions. 9. Be honest and loyal. Trust is the life wire of any loving relationship, marriage inclusive. Be down-to-earth honest with her and stay loyal and committed to your relationship. 10. Continuously work on your relationship. Love unattended to will eventually become rusty and dusty. It takes effort and dedication to build a strong and lasting connection with a woman. For your love to grow consistently, you must work on it continuously, without fail. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave your comments.